Hello everyone, my friend. A lot of you asking me how to make halawa. You know, it's in India, Turkish, and with wonderful taste, especially in breakfast. I will show you how to make it with two amazing easy way. And all ingredients easy you find in your kitchen or at home. So all you need, you just make subscribe to my channel. If this first time you watch me, please make like, and I would love to hear your comment below. So all you need to know about dessert, just let me know. First, all we take the sesame 160 for 10 minutes just to heat up. Then you put in the blender. That's it. This you will make tahini. So if you have ready made tahini, you can use the same recipe. So I start from zero, just if in case some country you cannot find tahini, so that's why I make tahini. Just reheat the sesame, white sesame, even red sesame. You reheat it 160 for about 5 minutes, then direct to the blender, KitchenAid, RoboCup, whatever you have kitchen process, Thermomix, whatever you have. Just high speed, almost 7-8 minutes, it will you have your own paste. Now tahini paste is ready, you can see. Still need 5 minutes to be smooth. As you see, little by little becomes more. Now is ready. Real tahini. The oil comes out and very soft. I added icing sugar or powder sugar. Blend a little bit. Then I added milk powder. So it's 3 ingredients only, and you have fantastic tahini or halawa. You take out from the process, you just mix it to be smooth. As you see, very soft dough. And now any container, you put mixed nuts, nuts, cashew, hazelnut, whatever you want, or you make one nuts only, or you want to make many, is up to you. So with 3 ingredients together, you have fantastic halawa or halva, and this amazing for breakfast, to make sandwich. You will really love it. The second recipe, which really oriental flavor. All recipe I will keep in description box below. So again, sesame, you don't need to reheat up. Just one time we reheat up, second time we'll make it normal. Sesame have a lot of oil, so when you blend it very fast, the oil comes out and becomes a really nice paste. From time to time, you bring all edges with a scraper and bring it down to the blade to make it more soft. Now is almost ready. This recipe we will use tahini, as you see, milk powder, normal sugar, water, and 1 egg white. We make Italian meringue. Yes, we make halva or halawa with Italian meringue. So in caramel, I added like 5 grams of cardamom with boiling with caramel, so you have fantastic strong flavor of cardamom, and caramel is still white. I cook sugar. It's same like Italian meringue, 121 degree. Then I bring 1 egg white. When it start to becomes meringue, I added the caramel. Slowly with all seed, with everything, because cardamom seed is really nice even to eat and to infuse inside the halawa. You use hand mixer or you have kitchen aid will much better. So you keep it whisking for about 5-7 minutes until meringue really stiff. Then you added the rest of ingredients. I added milk powder. You can see the milk powder is emulsion with the Italian meringue. Then I added my best or tahini best. And this which give a beautiful energy in the breakfast. That's why all of Middle East they like to have in the breakfast. Then I mix with my hand. And as you see, I put in the bottom some of pistachio which give more flavor, more strong aroma. I keep in top, and your halwa is ready. You can keep it out of the fridge, inside the fridge, doesn't matter, still beautiful. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope if this first time to watch my channel, please make subscribe.